Happy Friday. I wanted to send you this video to touch on expectations for the coming weeks and also to talk about Canvas. So first and foremost, next week we do start our official digital learning, and the kids will be meeting by Zoom on Wednesdays and Fridays with Mr. Hogendijk and Fridays with myself, but also on Mondays. So you're going to get the best of both worlds as far as office hours and Zoom calls. The district is requiring us to have touch points throughout the weeks with the kids. So Mr. Hogendijk and I decided that Mondays would be a good kickoff day where they'll be on a Zoom call with me. Fourth grade, you're going to be on at 10 a.m. and I will send those links in a class tag. Fifth grade, you're going to be going at 10:30. And then, of course, Mr. Hogendijk has math help on Wednesdays. And on Friday, we both will be on the Zoom calls that happen in the afternoons in order to wrap up the week and discuss any issues. Daily, so every day from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. are my office hours. If you need anything, that is a time where I'm going to be camped out by every technology device that I own to make sure you guys are having a smooth as possible transition to online learning. So definitely send me messages if you need help. In this video, I've attached a tutorial on Canvas. Canvas is a learning platform that Tulsa Public Schools is going to be moving to. And so this tutorial will show kids how to find it, how to get logged in, how to submit an assignment, how to join a discussion, and all the basics in navigating what it is we're going to be using within that Canvas platform. I know it's scary. I know it's a ton of information and super overwhelming, but just know we got this and we are in it together. If you have any questions, I'm available through ClassTag. You can shoot me a message on Google Classroom. You can email me. I've got everything open and I'm ready to help as much as I can. So take care this weekend and I'll see you guys Monday morning. Bye-bye. All right, everyone. The first thing I'm sure we want to know how to do is how to get to Canvas. It's actually very similar for getting to Google Classroom, so let me show you how that's done. When you open up your browser, if your default page is not Google, go ahead and go to google.com. Next, you're going to go up here to the Google Apps icon, which I also refer to as the waffle icon, and you're going to make sure that you are logged in as whomever you want to be. For our kiddos, this is going to be your Google login address for school. When you click on the Google Apps icon, you can see you've got some favorites here if you visit them quite often. There's our Google Classroom icon, but what I want you to do is scroll down. And if you scroll down to this point, you're going to see these brightly colored boxes in this icon that says Canvas LMS. Go ahead and click on that icon. Make sure that you are in the Google account that you use for school. And it redirects you to this site to log into Canvas. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to have to log in as a teacher, but clearly you would be pressing this green button and be logging in as a student. Again, you'll probably see a Google drop-down menu that has your email in it with your name. You will click on that and it will send you on over to Canvas. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be myself. Once you are in Canvas and it loads, Canvas automatically knows what classes you are enrolled in. So there are no codes or anything like that that you need to know. They are automatically going to be here. You'll see Mrs. Jones reading. You'll also see a separate class for social studies, and you'll see Mr. Hogendijk's classes as well. For this tutorial, we're going to be in 4th grade. So we're going to click on the icon that says Fantastic in 4th, and I've placed pictures here, hopefully so that they can stand out in your dashboard and be easy to navigate. Here we go. Once you are in our homepage for our reading class, this is the home screen that you will see. We have got a picture that says Lacebark Elm, and if you scroll down, it also has a link to our Google Classroom, as well as a message that directs you to check the announcements to see what new things are happening, and the assignments page to make sure you are keeping up with your work. When you log into the home page, on the left side, you're going to see this menu of pages that you can visit. There's the home screen, a page for announcements, a page for assignments, and a page for discussions. Over here on the right side of the screen, you'll see your to-do list. Here you notice it says good morning, and it has an icon of a megaphone. That means that this is a new announcement. If you're unfamiliar with the to-do list or it gets to be too cluttered for you, another really good way to keep track of what's happening in our class is by clicking this button to go to the course stream. So click on View Course Stream. And this will show you all of the new activity that's happening in your class. If you see a red dot, that means that you have not yet visited that announcement, assignment, whichever it is, and you need to check it out. After visiting your course stream, at any time if you want to go back to the home screen, simply bring your cursor over here and click Home. Another feature that we're going to be using a lot in our class is the discussions feature. So at this time, go ahead and go down to your menu and click on Discussions. You'll notice there's a lot of windows going on, but the discussion that I want you to click on is this one that says Getting to Know Canvas. Once you open the discussion, you're going to see a message from me generally. This one is saying if you've made it here, then you've taken the first big step. In order to know that you can navigate through discussions, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and scroll down. There is a box here that's highlighted in red that says Reply, and I want you to write your mood meter color. When you click on that reply box, it's going to open this box of rich text format is what they call it, but it looks very similar to what we use in Google Docs or any other word processor. I just want you to type in your mood meter color. You notice that you can change things like font, bold, italics, font, or sizes. For this exercise, go ahead and leave it just as it is. That way it's easier for Mrs. Jones to read. When you've written what you need to put in there, go ahead and click Post Reply. You can see now that your reply will go up into the discussion, and you are now a part of the conversation. I think now you're ready to learn about assignments, and that'll be in another video. Thanks, guys.